my dear students. I am Shivani Maurya, your English teacher. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are here to learn parts of a sentence, which are subject and predicate. So let's begin. Dear students, we all convey our ideas and thoughts by speaking, and we all speak in sentences. So, children, as you already know, a sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. For example, Ria is a tall girl. Param sings a song. But children, do you know? Every complete sentence contains two parts, a subject and a predicate. And without either, a sentence cannot be complete. So let us learn in detail about the parts of a sentence. Children, a sentence mainly has two parts. Number one, subject. Number two, predicate. Subject is the naming part. Children, always remember a subject is the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Similarly, predicate is the telling part. A predicate usually starts with a verb. So, children, let us learn in detail about the subject and predicate. What is subject? The part of a sentence which tells us about the person or the thing being talked about is called the subject. In simpler words, the person or thing we talk about in a sentence is called the subject. Let us see this example. Rohan is playing in the park. Children, here we can ask question, who is playing in the park? Rohan. Rohan is playing in the park. So in this sentence, Rohan is the subject. About whom are we talking in this sentence? We are talking about Rohan. So it is clear that Rohan is the subject. So let's see what is predicate. The part of a sentence that gives the information about the subject is called the predicate. In other words, the predicate tells us what the subject is or does. So let's see this example. Rama is baking a cake. So children, if we ask question what Rama is doing, we'll get answer Rama is baking a cake. So in this sentence, is baking a cake is the predicate that is telling us more about the subject, Rama. Here we have some more examples. The monkey is eating a banana. In this sentence, the monkey is the subject. Is eating a banana is the predicate. Next, Nancy likes dancing. So here, Nancy is the subject. And can you guess what's the predicate? Likes dancing. A bee buzzed around me. So here, what's the subject? Yes, a bee is the subject. Buzzed around me is the predicate. He is waiting for me outside. In this sentence, he is the subject. Is waiting for me outside is the predicate. Let's learn something more about subject and predicate. The subject can be singular or plural. Let's see these examples. The apple is red. Here, the apple is the singular subject. The children are jumping together. Here, the children is the plural subject. Children, the subject may not be always of one word. It can be more than one word. Let's see these examples. The whole team played well. All the students were absent in the class. In both these sentences, the whole team and all the students are the subject. But you can see here that the subject is more than a word. Children, the subject need not be always in the beginning of the sentence. It may also come after the predicate. Let's see this example. Up went the kite. What's the subject here? The kite. So here the subject is at the end of the sentence. Subject can also be hidden in the sentence. In this example, come here. What's the subject? You can't see the subject because the subject is hidden. And what's the subject? You. Because it is understood if someone says, come here, he or she must be saying it to someone else. So there are sentences in which subject is hidden. The predicate is usually the last part of a sentence. It often starts with a verb. Children, always remember the predicate usually starts with a verb and is the last part of the sentence. Children, this is a simple exercise for you all. You have to pick out the subject and predicate in these sentences. You can write the answers in the comment section below. I hope you all enjoyed today's session. Here's a fun learning video on subject and predicate. Enjoy.
I'm so excited that you're back to join us. We're here at the train station and ready to learn.
The next train will arrive in about 1 minute. Please step clear of the yellow line.
Miss Twinkle, that's not a train.
Well, it's like a train. It's a subject. But hold on, the other half is about to arrive. Looks like the predicate is here to join in on the fun. Right on time.
What's a subject?
What's a predicate? Great questions. A subject is what or whom a sentence is about. The predicate tells something about the subject.
Are you talking about sentences?
A sentence is a complete thought that includes a subject and a predicate. Without either, a sentence cannot be complete. Come on, class, we have a train to catch.
Every time you try to write a sentence, do your best to make sure it's complete, since every sentence has two parts that it's comprised of. Parts that I'll describe now as discrete.
Look it up.
First, you need a subject of the sentence. This is what the sentence is about, and if the subject is a single thing or person, call the subject simple so there's never any doubt that when I say you, you're the subject, it's true. And no matter what follows the start, it will stay the same as the predicates change. You will always be inside my heart. Predicates will follow after subjects. Predicates are what the subject does or is, or how the subject does what it's supposed to. Anything the subject is or will or ever was. So when I say you, you're the subject, it's true. And no matter what follows the start, it will stay the same as the predicates change. You will always be inside my heart.
Thank you.